Hey guys, welcome to the tutorial where we will explain to you how you can connect Trello to Slack. So let's jump into it. First, open Trello and navigate to the specific board you want to connect. Once inside, click on Power-Ups, then choose Add Power-Ups. In the search bar, type Slack, and once it appears, click Add, then hit Settings. Now, select Edit Power-Up Settings and click on Add Slack Workspace. You'll be asked to sign in to your Slack account. Enter your workspace's Slack URL. This is usually the part before slack.com. You can find it by going into your Slack workspace and checking the name at the top left. Once you've entered the correct Slack URL, click Continue. Trello will ask for permission to connect. Go ahead and click Allow. After this, return to Trello, and you'll now be able to set up Slack alerts. Choose your Slack workspace, the channel you want notifications sent to, and then select which actions you'd like to trigger Slack messages, for example, when a card is created. Click Done, and your integration is now active. To test it, just add a card on your Trello board. You should see a notification appear in your Slack channel, showing the card name, creator, and the board it belongs to, and that's how you connect Trello with Slack.